Hello everyone, today, I'd like to introduce you to an installation case of our welding tile. This is a self-built house's owner in Haiku City who chose to use our welding tile instead of colored steel tile. Our welding tile is not only firmly and reliably fixed by screws. In addition, the installation is simple, time-saving and labor-saving. The connection between welding tiles is also fixed with screws to ensure that each tile can be closely connected without leaking or being blown away by the wind. It can be seen from the effect diagram that the overall appearance is very beautiful. It perfectly improves the overall appearance of the house. At the same time, our inverter design is simple and elegant. The powerful function makes your electricity use safer and more stable. The welding tile can not only be effective resisting severe weather and extending service life, can also reduce noise and improve living comfort. If you are also considering changing the roof material, consider our welding tile bar. Welcome to learn more details or contact us directly to purchase a roof solution with high quality experience.